Want to make that? Why not? Let's get started. First, you're gonna drag the clip you want and paste in the timeline. Disable resample. Okay, now you're gonna click on the FX tab and find motion tracker and click add. Okay, and you're gonna close this tab and go to tools, video, and click on motion tracking. And from here you're gonna accurate and mode perspective. It totally depends on the scene, and I'm gonna use it on this. And over here you're gonna set up and adjust the layer. Make sure you get the edges right. Get all of the green edges, and now you're gonna click on the third option from here, which is drag by direction. Click on it and it'll be real quick. Now if it says fail to get frame data, just go frame by frame once and resolve it. Okay, now you're gonna need to drag and paste the media you want or the file, and cut the remaining off and delete that. And over here go to motion tracking tab and file name and picture FX, add that. As you can see, it's like that, and yep, it's not quite perfect, so you click on the crop icon and adjust it. Make sure you have lock aspect ratio on and off, it depends. And as you can see, that would be perfect for me. So this is only if you want to readjust later on. As you can see, I've set this. Now I'm gonna go to the FX tab and type chroma key and drag and drop the green screen, because I have the green. Drag and drop the green preset. As you can see, this before and after. I'm gonna go again to FX tab, and this time you're gonna type edge, and you're gonna find edge blur, which will basically blur the edges of the clip. Drag and drop, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't get rickrolled.